Welcome back, people. So just like what I said, we're still not yet done with the problem because just like what I said, what we just did in part 1 was just solving for the dimensions. But now we are going to solve for the real thing, which is for the perimeter and area of the figure. So for the perimeters, we get to solve for the perimeter of the entire figure, which is the entire thing, yung lahat. The perimeter of QIN, which is this fellow, di ba? And the perimeter of Rosa, this one, the trapezoid. Once there, we will also be solving for the area such that our answer should be in square inches, square centimeters, and square feet. Good luck! We can do this. Kaya namin to. Relax ka na muna, okay? So, to solve for the perimeter of the entire figure, by the way, let's look at this first. Do you still remember the semicircles? In the first place, they don't have a dimension yet. But there's already dimension now. How did we do that? Let's start with the semicircle. To get the dimension of the semicircle, the first thing we need to do is pi times diameter. Remember pi times diameter to give you a full circle. But what should we divide it with so that we can get the measure of this curved arc? If your answer is divided by 2, you are correct. Kasi nga kalahati siya. Kalahati to. Okay, kalahati. So therefore, you're gonna do 3.14 times 31 na lang. Unless you want 62, divide by 2. Pero the 62 and the 32, they divide out, which gives you 31. So therefore, it's just 3.14 times 31 na lang. Which gives you, let's look at the solution. I made the solution for you. So multiplying your 3.14s, yes, you should get 97.34. To double check with the calculator, yes, you should get 97.34. Yun dapat ang measure dito. Now, for QIN. For the measure of QIN. We know that we're supposed to get 45.53 inches. To show you how, ganito kasi nangyari. First of all, did you know that this is 1/4 of a circle, right? To solve for the circumference of 1/4 of a circle, again, it's still the same pi times d. But to give you a clue, you need to divide it with a different number. And what's the number? Very good. Divide by 4. Bakit by 4? Because if you look at here, it's like a quarter of a circle. So, pi times diameter divide by 4. So, ito yung solution ko. 25.2, 15.70, then add 182.12. Then we divide. We should get 45.13. To see what I mean, let's plug it in a calculator. Yes, we should get this answer of 45.53 inches. With that, can we solve for the perimeter now? Yes, we can. Alright? Para mas madali, let's use the calculator. First, let's solve for the perimeter of the entire figure. Remember the entire figure we have? Remember this one? Yeah, don't think it's 98, ha? Because remember, 98 is the entire thing. So you only need to get 29 and 38 only. Or 98 minus 31 makes 67. Let's check na. 67. So 67 plus this curved part, diba? The curved part, which is 97.34. Okay? $164.34. Yes, very good. That's 2. Third is 9 times the square root of 2. That's 12.72. And 12.72 times 2. This is 4, 14, 5, 2. 25.44. Am I correct? Yes. 25.44. So yan, 25.44. Now let's add that. Again, remember, don't include the second 25.44, okay? So yan. This is 8, 7, 9, 189.78. That's the fourth dimension. We still have 5 more. Ayan, this is 20. 20 and 33. You know 20 and 33 make 63. So add 63. We should get 78, 12, 9 plus 8, 9, 15, 252. And then the last one is the 1/4 of a circle. For the 1/4 of a circle, remember that's 45.53. 45.53. When we add this up all together, 11, this is 13, 8, 9, tama. Let's see if we're correct. So we started off at 67 plus, remember what's the 97.34? Plus 12.72 times 2 plus 20 plus 33 plus the 45.53. Oh, so close. It's supposed to be 288 pala. But it's okay. Kasi nga what you all this, we did not regroup. So yun nga, that's the correct answer. 200. So therefore, the perimeter of the entire figure is 288.31 inches. Don't forget to use your units, okay? Now, for the perimeter of chin, it's not only the curved part, you just need to add the two diameters. So, 45.53 plus 58. So, 45 plus 58 equals 13. Tama, 103. So, therefore, it should be 103.53. Okay? Check ko kaya. Yes. And then the perimeter of Rosa, 38 plus 20. 38 plus 20 is very easy, right? It's 58. 58 plus 12.72 times 2. Okay? Remember, that's supposed to be 25.44. 25.44 plus 58, which gives you 1383.44. Yun lang. Don't forget to specify your units, alright? So, yan. Yun yung mga answers. Check with the calculator to see if it's true. Alright? Last is solving for the area. To solve for the area, mabilis lang to. You know already what to do. Part the figure into shapes to solve for the area. First, let's get the area of one shape. Let's start first with the rectangle. Okay, so now to solve for the areas of the shapes, let's start with the rectangle. The rectangle is 62 times 38. And with that, you should get 2,356 square inches. Next, let's go with the semicircle. The semicircle is pi times the radius squared divided by 2. So 3.14 times 31 squared divided by 2. Alright? Actually, this one's kind of easy. But I wish I can do it in the calculator para mas madaliin. Okay? So 3.14 times 31 squared divided by 2. Tama, it's 1,508.77. That's for the semicircle. Now for the trapezoid. Remember for the trapezoid? Yes, very good. Base, add the two bases together, then multiply it by the height. So therefore, it's gotta be 58. That's the summation of the two bases. Times 9 divided by 2. This becomes 29. And 29 times 9, since I memorized my multiplication table of 29, that's supposed to be 261. 261. So sa trapezoid, ganito siya. Yan. That's supposed to be the answer. Okay? 261. Okay? So yun yung answer ng trapezoid. Last but not least, it's the half, 1/4 of a circle. So 29 and 20. Yes, very good. So therefore, what you do is pi times the radius squared. Pi times radius squared, you know 29 squared. What's 29 squared? Let's solve it here. Para mas, okay. 29 squared is 841. So therefore, what we're going to do is 3.14 times 841. Doing so with the multiplication table of 3.14, we should get 3.14 here. Yes, you should get 1,070.74. But, remember, you're gonna have to divide that by 4. So, ganito kasi yung nangyari. Ten, 26, 832. Tama. Check ko with the calculator. So, this is 841, right? Close up. So, 3.14 times 29 squared divided by 4. Ah! Wait, I think I got the wrong answer. Kasi po dapat, it should be... yeah, kasi nga dapat it's supposed to be, ano to. Buti nga may calculator ko para i-double check. So, the answer is 660.185. So, therefore, 660.185. Now, let's add up everything. Para mas mabilis, okay, let's use the calculator na lang. Para hindi tayo ubos ng time. Okay? So, 2356 plus 1508.77. Remember, what does this come from? The semicircle. Plus the 261 and plus 660.185. Which comes from the half 1/4 circle. Which gives you an area of 4,785.9555 square inches. So, let's write it down. Yes, yun yung sagot. But we're still not yet done because we still need to convert that into feet squared and to centimeter squared. Now, here's how we're gonna do it. We know the given relationship that 1 feet is 12 inches. But remember, if you want it in square units, you will have to put the square and then distribute. You know, 1 feet is still the same. 1 square feet. 1 feet squared. And then 12 squared, that's 144. In squared. Then where are we going to put our area? The feet squared. It's right here. 4,785.955. Now we're going to have to divide it by 144. So take our answer, divide by 144. We should get the area in square feet is 33.235 or 33.24 if I were to round it off. Yes. Last but not least, it's in cm squared. Kapag cm, remember the relationship? 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 cm. But, remember just what I said? Distribute. Remember, this is squared, right? We distribute. Tama. I wonder if you can see that. Yun. Sana makikita mo. So, therefore, this is 1 inch squared and 2.54 squared. Let's do it in a calculator. Yes, it's 6.4516. Always remember that. 6.4516 cm squared. Okay. Then where do you put the inches squared? It's right here. Remember our answer, the 40,85955. You will have to take your answer and multiply that by that answer. So answer times 4785.955. And what's our answer? Whoa! 30,877.07 square centimeters. That's a lot. Leave a like if you do like this video. But don't panic. Isang problema na lang. This one na lang. Pero next time na lang. Thank the Lord, malapit na ako matapos.